Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add profile questions in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do you note that I have already logged into my account? In case you have not, do log in right now. This is the interface of Badoo, and right now, what we want to do is simply add profile questions. For that, simply go to Profile. The button's right here at the bottom right, simply click on it. And right here, this is your profile page. At the top right, you will see two buttons, namely Settings and Edit Profile. What you need to do is simply click on the Edit Profile button that's on the rightmost section. Simply click on it. Now this is the Edit Profile section. Simply scroll down and you will see something like Profile Questions right here. Well, here's a button that says Answer Questions. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. What you can do is choose up to 3 questions to answer for your profile. Let's scroll down. Now these are the questions. Select whichever one you wish. I'm gonna select a few, like what's your favorite type of music? Once you click on an option, something like this will pop up. Well, it's giving you a few options like chilled out beats and everything. And do note that you can write your own answer as well. For now, I'm simply gonna select one at random. And once it's done, I'm gonna click on this Done button right here. Similarly, select 2 more questions. And guys, that's it. As you can see, I have added my profile questions. In case you do want to edit them, simply click on the tab right here. And see, you can update it, replace, delete or cancel. Well guys, that's it. That's how you add profile questions in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.